Okay, currently I'm working on the user input file. Now you can see I have introduced multiple depot and also etching once again depot. Uh, so you can see that I have introduced silicon germanium and silicon layers again and again, alternative way. After that, we have a very tall structure having silicon, germanium, silicon layers. After that, we introduce edge, and here we found mask equal to fin. But where can you find the fin? Right now, I have no implementation about this mask structure because mask requires its definition and getting certain rectangles in it. So I have not done it. So just hard coded for this example. Anyway, so 171 etching is done. So we have a very tall fin. And after that, we introduce here ISO or uniso deposition, and its thickness is 75. Okay, so why don't you just run this one from 3CMD, then can run it, then just visualize. So we can expect that there is a fin and that is covered with silicon dioxide. So you can see now we have it. Okay, so without silicon dioxide, now we have a fin structure, and these green layers will be used as you know uh, silicon channel, and after that we just deposited um, silicon dioxide. You can easily find that the shape of this top profile is not rounded, but it is just a straight line. Once again, this is the limitation of my implementation in in the AngstromCraft because it is really based on voxel. No real isotropy cannot be made in this case. But I can show you one simple exercise. So now you can see that this is done by isotropic deposition. So now let's just change it. So instead of this ISO, so if I say uniso, so I don't see that actually that is obeyed, but when you go to this line, okay. So when we say uniso, then now we call this uniso routine. Previously, our previous specification of ISO was just simply neglected and considered as uh, non-existence of this uniso flag. So now we can run it once again, and I can expect that now deposition is done in the anisotropic way. So we run it, and how about the visualization? Now you can see the difference. Yes, so previously we covered the entire film by isotropic deposition, but when we just switched to the anisotropic deposition, only positive G direction growth is allowed. So this is the result of our calculation. Of course, we have a long way to go, but I'm quite happy with this achievement because I had certain uh, bugs in the code, and after that I solved it, and we have to introduce some specification about mask for general purpose. So I will working on it, and I will share the progress with you in this video series. Thank you and see you later.